Hey everyone! What I'm about to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here, so relax. We're almost there with the fix. If your Ford suddenly throws the message "trailer disconnected," the first thing you should know is that it doesn't always mean your trailer flew off down the road. What your truck is really saying is, "Hey, I'm not getting the signal I expect from the trailer, so I better let you know." Basically, it's an electrical or communication issue, not a physical drama. The most common culprit, according to mechanics, is that the trailer's ground wire is loose or poorly connected. Yep, that simple white wire that connects to the trailer's frame is super important. If the signal doesn't return properly, the system thinks the trailer is disconnected and boom, message on the dash. Mechanics' favorite fix is to add a direct ground wire to the trailer frame. Easy, cheap, and usually works instantly. If your ground is fine, the next suspect is dirt or corrosion in the 7-pin connector. Moisture, rain, or even a car wash can cause the pins to rust and break the signal. Cleaning the connector well and applying dielectric grease on the pins keeps everything protected, and most owners say the message disappears almost immediately. On newer models, some have noticed that Ford's system can be a bit picky with electricity. Even with everything clean and properly connected, the message can show up intermittently. Here, several mechanics solve the problem with a software update at the dealership, which adjusts the system's sensitivity, or by doing a small reset by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. This restarts the modules, and most of the time the message goes away for good. And heads up, sometimes the problem isn't in your truck, it's in the trailer itself. Testing with another trailer or checking that the lights and brakes work properly helps rule out issues on the trailer side. Also, if the message comes with wiring fault, then it's serious and you should check internal wires that could be damaged.